Hey y'all, it's Mike and Shannon.
It'll be in the description below.
We're thrilled to share our calm, cozy, country style, home and outdoors inspiration with you. Hey y'all, how are ya? Welcome back to Country Style Living, Home and Garden. Today you are going to be planting up some cute, sweet little proven winners flowers with me in the front flower bed. You're going to get an update on that. We're also for supper going to be making cube steak in the cast iron skillet, country style, southern style. I just returned from town, had to get a Walmart pickup. Let me get these groceries picked up and then we'll get in the yard. Before we get started, I've got to have a little afternoon pick-me-up, my vitamin B drink over ice. I'll tell you about it in the description if you're interested. We've been drinking it for years. It's awesome. This one I've heard a lot about, and it's called Blew My Mind Dwarf Morning Glory. The biggest thing is that it's a trailing like ground cover, and that's what I wanted along the front of my little cottage garden flower bed. These are not only full sun, which I need, it's a south facing, full afternoon sun facing flower bed, and it's a perennial. I was willing to try some annuals to get that true blue color and get the look that I wanted, but a perennial is even better because it's gonna come back for sure next year, and I feel like I'm getting the most out of my money. So we'll get to planting this up. Alrighty, I said earlier that I was doing skillet cube steak. I'm doing pork chops. Today, to cut the carbs a little bit, I'm going to use a different flouring method. I've got our melted butter, and then in this plate, parmesan, salt, pepper, onion powder, chipotle, chili pepper. Okay. Dip the room temperature pork chops into the hot melted butter. Let the excess drip off. And then lightly coat it in the seasoning. I'm gonna put this frozen broccoli in the oven, 400 degrees. I'll do the pork chops last because they don't take that long. Don't go anywhere. Your supper is ready.
Hey, I think that's good and tender right there.
Question of the day, did you like today's home and garden vlog style? Comment right now below, yes or no. And if you're struggling to make lima beans taste good, this is the best southern lima beans recipe. Watch this video next. Love y'all.